कहाँ जा रहे हैं सैमी? बाली।
कल पे सवाल है, जीना फिलहाल है, खाना।
Namaste dosto. Welcome to my travel blog on our unforgettable trip to the magical island of Bali. We travel at the end of February with our fun group of friends Ranjit, Devjani, Sumit, Anjita and their kids. दोस्तों के साथ ट्रैवल करने का मजा ही कुछ और होता है.
So we're going for the boarding now. कुआला लंपुर के फ्लाइट के लिए जा रहे हैं अभी हम लोग. So there is Daksh. Daksh, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Sammy, are you excited?
इस ट्रिप के लिए हमने एक कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट बुक किया था फ्रॉम कोलकाता विद ए लेओवर एट कुआला लंपुर. Our journey began with a late night flight at 1 a.m. with full of excitement for the adventure ahead.
Sammy, you're tired? Sleepy? Huh? What do you need now? Coffee. Yes, we need a coffee. अभी coffee एक चाहिए. Deadly. It's 5:30 a.m. in Kuala Lumpur.
Since there was a change of terminal in Kuala Lumpur, we had to go through the immigration and fill the Malaysian digital aviation form. Chaliye, immigration done now. It's time for coffee break before we head for our next flight. अभी असली एक्साइटमेंट स्टार्ट होने वाला था क्योंकि अगला डेस्टिनेशन था बाली. Immigration process was surprisingly very smooth in Bali and this is the Bali airport. Bali airport से निकलने ही सबसे पहले हमने लिया लोकल सिम कार्ड्स बिकॉज इंटरनेट तो ट्रैवल का सबसे बड़ा दोस्त है. मैप्स, बुकिंग्स, इंस्टा स्टोरीज सबके लिए. एंड लुक एट एवरीवन, एवरीबॉडी इज वेरी एक्साइटेड.
Now we are heading towards the taxi. अभी टैक्सी पकड़ने के लिए जा रहे हैं. तो यहाँ से हम लोग जाएंगे उबुद. उबुद में हम लोग 4 दिन रहने वाले. So the Bali is very clean. Yes. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Actually, Bali city is very clean and well maintained. It took us 1 hour to reach our destination, Ubud, from Bali airport. For our stay in Ubud, we had booked Nick's Hidden Cottages for 4 nights. The moment we stepped inside, it felt like entering a tropical paradise. Lush greenery all around, coconut trees and vibrant tropical plants, creating a calm and refreshing atmosphere. The property carries an ancient Balinese charm with traditional stone carvings, wooden architecture and narrow pathways that makes you feel like you're living inside a heritage retreat.
There's a heritage touch in this. Just see the background. It's a very good property. Full of lush green outside.
After settling down in our rooms, we couldn't resist heading straight to the swimming pool. And wow, it truly felt like heaven on earth. शाम होते ही we all got ready and set out for the first activity, which was Balinese dance show.
So we have come to see the Balinese dance show. It is going to start now and it's very humid. Dakshu, कितना पसीना हो रहा है आपको? हाँ, पूरा पसीना. Sammy, हाँ, oof, it's very hot. It's going to start. The Ravana has come, repeating the story of Ramayana.
We somehow did not like the Balinese dance so that much. The first reason being it was a known story to us, which was from the Ramayana. And the second, it was excessive hot and humid weather. Show khatam hote hi, we set out for our first Balinese meal. Though the menu options were limited, whatever we ordered turned out to be absolutely delicious.
This is the food we have ordered. This is opang satay. And see, we're having dinner over here. How is it? Try.
And with that, our tiring day one in Bali comes to an end. We headed back to our room at Nick's Hidden Cottage, ready to recharge for the adventures waiting for us on day 2.
Day 2 in Ubud. We have come to Mount Batur and just see the view. जीप ट्रैकिंग जो है वहाँ पे आपको यहाँ से नहीं होता, ये तो रोड के पास का व्यू है. अगर जीप ट्रैकिंग के लिए अगर आपको आना है माउंट बटूर, देन यू हैव टू go take a higher jeep, then it will start from there somewhere from bottom and it will go up half the way, और वहाँ से you have to hike and then go up to the top. यहाँ का सनराइज़ तो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, so we have missed the sunrise, so we decided to go around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, so it's around 10 o'clock now. Sami, how is the view?
It's awesome, magnificent. So that's Mount Batur.
Mount Batur का breathtaking view enjoy करने के बाद we set out for the next part of our journey, visiting the famous Luwak Coffee Zone.
So the t-shirt says, Luwak, did you know your shit is more expensive than gold? The Luwak says, really, can I shit on your face? So Luwak is the name of the animal, right?
Yeah. And then,
This is how this coffee comes out?
so this luwak,
Yes, this
they
Luwak.
just chewy the sweet coffee.
Okay.
Because the ripe coffee, they have like a white gel, and then after that, they just swallow all bean. It's very hard, they cannot digest, and then
Okay.
it comes out from the
Okay.
So we drink that. That is the most expensive.
Okay. This is Luwak. Whose shit is more costlier than gold? The guys, the Luwak coffee, the shit which comes out of the Luwak animal.
This is after plate.
She's roasting the coffee right now. और कॉफ़ी रोस्ट करने के बाद ये ऐसा ब्लैक हो जाता है. And then it is made paste over here like this. Yeah, Dakshi. Yeah, Bobo.
Rice tea, good for strong bones. This is lemongrass tea. It's good for digestion. This is pure Bali coffee. That is
They give you different types of teas and coffees as a taster, which if you like, you can purchase from their store. Only the Luwak coffee has to be purchased if you want to taste.
क्या हुआ?
Nana, jangan makan jadi. Bobby makan.
You like it? तो ये उनका कॉफ़ी स्टोर है जहाँ पे आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कॉफ़ी जो भी हमने टेस्ट किया वो आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगा. देन देयर आर स्पाइसेस आल्सो.
Visiting the Luwak coffee was a good experience, and obviously you should try different types of foods and dishes of every country which you visit.
अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं तिरुमाला वाटरफॉल.
Ubud is surrounded by scenic waterfalls, and we chose to visit the best of some of them.
Oh, nice, lovely. इस वक्त आपको मेरी आवाज़ शायद कम सुनाई दे रही होगी बिकॉज इसका कारण है ये दिस वाटरफॉल इज लवली. बहुत ही प्रेशर, बहुत ही आवाज़ बहुत ही शानदार, ये देखिए। Sammy, how is it? Like this?
This is what you call a picture perfect waterfall. And talking about pictures, we definitely did not miss on that. नीचे जाना तो easy था, but हमें पता था कि the next task is very difficult, is going up. So before that, we charged ourselves with some local fruits. Up next was probably the most adventurous waterfall of Ubud. If you are visiting Ubud, you should definitely visit this waterfall. Tamansari waterfall felt like a natural pool carved out by the nature itself, and all of us could not resist jumping in.
Comes to a close. How was the day today?
Okay, so adventurous.
Adventurous. ये GoPro का खो जाने का भी वीडियो करना चाहिए था।
हम लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं। Yes, our GoPro fell in the.
With this, day 2 came to an end. Thanks for watching Ubud Chapter Series 1. Watch out for my next vlog, Ubud Chapter Series 2. And right now, time for some BTS funny moments.